Silver against US dollar. This week has risen in value. The week started with this bullish pin bar, very close to this area of resistance, and then after that the price formed a bearish pin bar, again here, which means indecision between the buyers and the sellers. The next day, on Wednesday, the price formed a strong bullish candle, indicating further rise in value, and we can see Thursday has also created a bullish breakout. A bullish breakout that has been confirmed on a Friday with this bullish candle not closing the day below this area of support. Weekly time frame will show us a bullish candle, and it is a bullish breakout that has gone outside of this area, which was indecision. We can see that the close price is above these open and close price of these two candles, which means the bulls have managed to find its way outside of this area. Monthly time frame is just started, so we cannot make any conclusions, but the target is 37.43. This is the target for this month, and we'll see how the price will behave. The month just started, but it's very close to the target. We will see how the price will behave on the lower time frames. Weekly time frame is showing me that the price will try to move higher, so the target is also 37.43 on the weekly time frame. Daily time frame shows me a bullish breakout, which is indicating further rise in value, so I'm expecting that the price will reach higher price levels, very close to this area of supply zone 37.43. This is the target also on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price is currently formed this also small bullish candle that has closed above this area of smaller resistance, which is indication again of the bullish strength, which means the price will try to move higher. So this is something that I'm expecting on silver on several time frames. The price is trying to move higher, so I'm expecting that in the next week will price reach this area of resistance. So if there is any bullish and bearish breakouts formed on the chart, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. It is a premium analysis group where you receive information when the bullish or bearish breakout happens, where you get the entry level, stop loss, and take profit level. Just to show you information, this week we had, you can see that here, we had 12 of positive trades. 2 of them were negative, and for the only silver we had 3 positive trades without any negative. So feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.